Good morning. Hello. Welcome back to Ebony Told You. About to run a few errands and do a little bit of last minute Christmas shopping. I just have a few more things I would like to get for some very special people. Let's see. And I'm about to go drop my trash off because I live, I think it's like either like the county limits or whatever, and they don't come pick up your trash. And I'm not paying $20 a month for them to come pick it up. Yeah, so, and I was like, it's just me most of the time, so I'm like, there's really no point in me, you know, doing all of that. So, today is day 22 of the Vlogmas. Just 3 more days till Christmas. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. But yeah, I'm about to go do that. And I hate doing it because, I mean, the reason why I don't pay for like my trash is because I don't accumulate. It's just me. I don't accumulate that much trash, so to be going and putting it out every week. So I was just like, you know what? And then they only come once a week, so I'm like, I'm not about to, you know, be doing all that. So I just take it when it like gets to like 2 or 3 bags, and you know, come back home, because it's like the place is like less than 10 minutes from my house, so it ain't gonna take me that long. But I'm gonna bring you along with my day, so y'all just stay tuned. So y'all, I ain't took my trash in about a week or so. I get up here and it say new location. I'm like, wait a minute, what new location? And it's like, new location starting December 15th. Wait, when? I must ain't been in about 2 weeks, because I didn't even know that. Somebody told me that. When was that? Now I got to figure out how to turn around and carry on, and cause somebody was following me like super close. How I end up on a one-way street? Lord, get me out. I don't even, Jesus, how I get out here? I hate these little narrow streets, cause only your car can fit on it. Dang, I must ain't been in a minute. And I was supposed to turn right there. Hopefully I can get out right here. And the sun being extremely disrespectful. Now I gotta figure out. Ooh, way too far up. Now I gotta figure out where it's at. Cause the location that I've been going to is closed. And I couldn't turn around really to see where it was at. So I had to come back down and around. Why they want to switch up the location on me like that? And I ain't know. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Because I need to slow down long enough to catch the new location address. 8278. Now I gotta figure out. Oh, it's probably around the corner. This location might be closer. What did I say? 8278 Valley Falls. Yeah, it ain't but a half a mile away.
Starting route to 8278 Valley Falls Road. the next light, turn left.
That's freaking. But y'all, this heavy freaking case I got on my phone, it's like one of those one that's got the little battery pack on the back. I may just need to use that for when I travel, because that thing keep falling off my what's the name? I think it might be too heavy because it keeps sliding off or whatever. Oh, this is a little bit further down the road. What is going on? What is really going on? I just hate when people. Don't be trying to rush me to turn, sir.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Costner Road.
Oh no, this is a little bit further down the road. What they got going on? 5 minutes. I was used to going in my little, it was kind of like a little circle for me, and boop, boop, boop. This better be a better parking situation, not on that much, if y'all gonna change the location on me. What they got going on? I'm just anxious to see like where it actually is, because the last one, it was like a horrible location. Like, I got into it with this old man one time because okay, is it up here by this gas station? Is that no road, Ebony? I'm confused.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Valley Falls Road.
I'm gonna hit y'all when I figure out where this place is at. Oh yeah, it's a better, like, it's like it's bigger. Okay, it's like you can recite. Cause I collect like my bottles and stuff, that I like, my water bottles and like any like little plastic bottle I collect, and then I let it pile up, and then
the destination is on your left, 8278 Valley Falls Road.
This way, cause I'm not about to wait for a, you know what I'm saying, third light. Okay, this is nice. Okay, come up, Spartanburg. Come up then. Come up. This is a better freaking parking situation because ooh. I'm not about to sit here and wait for y'all to talk. I just hate when people realize, don't care that people are behind them. Like, people are behind you, okay? YouTube not about to get me for no copyright. Okay, they got a nice little situation up here. I will be right back. I always take my keys with me because I just always had this fear of somebody like driving off with my car, and you need my key fob to crank my car back up. So, deal. That was a whole lot better than it was last time. It's bigger. You can come at more people, because there used to be people like waiting out in the street trying to drop off their trash, and this is a whole lot better. But okay, now I'm probably going to head to the mall, which is Westgate Mall, and I know I can probably find some of my last few things. They probably mad because I'm pulling out in front of them, but I don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna head there, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So y'all, hold tight. Y'all, like, this freaking fence thing like hit my door, and it's gonna put a dent in my door. Spartanburg County about to fix this shit. I guarantee you that. I guarantee you that Spartanburg County about to fix my door. Like, bruh, that shit done pissed me off. Yo, I'm just like, bro, it made a big ass dent in my door. Like, I just took a picture of it. Yeah, Spartanburg County better do something, because I didn't have this dent in my car. Y'all might not be able to see this, but it's like, probably, it's a small dent, but it's very noticeable. Very noticeable. Y'all probably can't see it, but that is a huge, it's about the size of maybe a marble. Oh yeah, I'm about to file a claim, because that was not my fault. I'm sitting there waiting to come out, and the freaking fence want to swing open. Like, somebody said she gonna get in touch with the supervisor. I'll wait. I will wait. I'm gonna update y'all on what happens. So you guys, I'm waiting on a supervisor. Like, this man ain't gonna act like it was like somebody, witness and like, you know what I'm saying, like hit, you know what I'm saying, like I'm lying or something. Like, why? I don't need none of that, okay, sir. The fence swung while I'm sitting at the red light. Did you get how did it get back? Somebody got, the person behind me got it and moved it back. Like, I'm sitting still, like I'm sitting down, and the fence just swung open and hit the side of my front seat passenger side door. It's a dent probably about the size of a bullet hole. And did you get the person's name and phone number? No, it was not a car hit hitting another car. This is y'all's fence, and somehow it was not fastened, and it swung and hit my door. So I'm gonna need for y'all to make a report and do what y'all need to do, and get my car fixed, cause yeah, like, then he calls his supervisor. Well, she does have a dent in it. I don't know if such and such fastened down, but it's fastened now. Like, I just got out my car. Like, I'm just come up here trying to get a check. I work. I just want my door fixed. I want to be able to take it to whomever and get it fixed. Okay? Okay. Now I got to deal with the insurance. This ain't even my fault. I'm sitting still, foot on the brake. All right, y'all. Quick little update. Spartanburg County will be taken care of. They've already started a incident report. So I didn't realize that my mirror had got hit too in the process, and it pushed my side mirror in. So I won't have to contact my insurance or anything that Spartanburg County is gonna pay for it. I just got to go get 2 quotes from 2 different body shops. So I'm trying to think. I had some work done on my car, I want to say last year, because so I was on the highway and some debris flew up and hit and dent my hood and scratched the side of my car. So I had to get somebody work done then. I was like, I might go there. I just got to remember where I went to. And this is muddy, and I do not want to get stuck. Okay. And he was like, I'm so glad that you're understanding, because you know how some people are, you know, hooping and hollering. This is a nice car, and, you know, it's just like, you know, I was like, you know what? If people are nice to me, I'm nice to them. I just want it, you know, just taken care of. So it put me about an hour behind schedule, but nevertheless, I am out of here. So I guess I'll continue my Christmas shopping and the running of the errands or everything. So I'll take y'all to the mall with me. I guess I'm going the right way. Get this mud off my car. My tires out, my front tires are muddy. But yeah, dude was nice. So like, oh, there go a body shop right there. He told me to get 2 quotes from 2 body shops, and I'll be in contact with someone named Kevin and someone named Terry. I don't know who these big people are, but as long as they pay for it, and you know what I'm saying, get my car fixed. So I guess that's what I do is
Starting route to Westgate Mall.
I guess what I do is I'll be doing some research. One more thing to add to my to-do list, Lord Jesus. It's like my to-do list never ends. I always got something to do for somebody else or myself or whatever. But you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna take care of it. But I guess next stop is the mall, y'all. I'm a little hour behind schedule, but it is what it is. Life happens. Like, my thing is, if you're nice to me, I'm nice to you. If you want to be nasty, we don't want to bring Bonquisha out. That's what I call my alter ego, Bonquisha. We don't want Bonquisha. I try to keep her locked away and, you know, tucked away. But sometimes some people just jiggle the key. But everybody's been really, really nice. So I be really, really nice back. So I did not know these apartments were over here. This must be for upstate. But yeah, guy was very, very nice about the situation. And his you know how some people, you know, be, you know, hooping and hollering and whatever, you know, it's a nice car and they want to, you know, show out and stuff like that. I was like, I don't even got time for all that. I just, you know. But what happened was I was sitting, the entranceway has a red light. So I was coming out of, I'm gonna insert a clip right here. This is the red light. This is the fence. I was sitting right here beside the fence when it decided to open. I was coming out of the facility. This is my first time coming in the facility. I was waiting at the red light to come out. And I guess the wind picked up and the fence just slammed right into my passenger side front seat door. They pushed my side mirror in, scratched it on the side. I think it hit my car maybe like twice. So, but nevertheless, he told me to get some estimates from 2 body shops and they'll pay for it. So, wonderful. Thank you. But next stop is the mall, I guess. So, y'all stay tuned.
gangster now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have a good Christmas.
You too. I can get it in there.
What that one?